Yeah. Yeah. So it's kind of the interface of what your consumer is going to see. And then this is kind of phase one that we're looking at too, and then this would be complete phase two. So you have, your user would have an account, activities, resource.
Courtney, so the online registration that is currently offered through Active is going to be flipped over to a responsive?
That's correct. Yep, we're trying to make it responsive for you guys. That's only on the ActiveNet product. So that's built, because we need to start building out our platforms, and as we're building it, I'm making sure that there's a mobile component to it as we're building it.
Is that going to be in class as well as?
It's not, it's just going to be ActiveNet. Yeah, it's going to be with the new 13.1 launch of ActiveNet. So that will come out in the third quarter.
Talking back to the credit card site.
Yeah.
Does that collect data from the consumer? I used Square before, and as soon as I swiped it, or I used my wallet application, I got a text message saying I just made that payment.
Yes.
Is there a way to collect that information from the consumer, or at least have an opt-in option so you can start collecting that data for future records?
Yeah, it depends on if they swipe it using their ID, you'll have all that information, whatever's populated on the driver's license, so address. There's not a whole lot more data stored within the app, but
Straight from my chaser.
okay. We're not keeping that back end analytics on the back end, no. So that would be a separate recording that we actually would need to create, but good idea. Something that we could do, but we also don't want it to be, we want to protect the consumer as well.
Yeah, it'd just be nice because, I mean, so many times our interactions are so quick, whether it's at a golf course or at a pool, it'd be nice to be able to have a function where they maybe get a text message to say, if you want to be added to this mailing list or something like that, and they did write to them. Because you can't take all addresses and emails when you're having an interaction like that.
Right. No, it's a great, we can definitely, I'll report that back also to the ActiveNet people. Yeah, if that's something that would be beneficial, definitely. We need to look at. Here's kind of the activities and search list. So if people are looking for activities on your mobile side. It kind of gets a little bit deeper to where. Activity enrollment, so this kind of goes exactly to the registering through your mobile device. So right now, they want a small t-shirt, and then you mostly would see all these other questions, and we're just kind of getting rid of that and saying, do you accept these certain conditions? And I agree. Then checkout. And then that's where you can take the payment via the swipe card. And this one's just more activity details. And log in. And check out. So checkout is very similar to the sign in, right? And then here's the features. We want to, if we want to take extra payment for donations or something. And then this would also be the feature of making it a little bit more nicer. So that would be a couple further phases down the road once we get something launched for you guys. But like I said, this would be, it will be really a great, CUI for you guys, because you can also customize it. You can insert your logo, you can do your certain colors. And that's all customized for you. And it's a very simple, just click on the button, whether it's a desktop, you can make one click and say make it mobile, and you'll be instantly optimized for mobile. So key takeaways, right? The provider users have a great experience that actually impact their lifestyles, and design for mobile first. Create better mobile experiences they have right now. And it's a great time right now, you guys, to be in the mobile, just where your consumers are and how they're using your products. I would just encourage it. If you don't know right now, make sure you get some analytics and make sure you understand what devices people are actually coming to your websites on. And then that will be able to help you understand if you need more of a mobile or native application, or you can have a mobile web presence. There's certain softwares out there that you can get some back-end analytics. Right now, we use a company called Site Catalyst. It's just an Adobe, and you can just tag some of those different. It's just you just tag on the back end of your URL, and you actually know you'll get reports. You can go into the dashboard anytime and look up. Okay, oh, there's 20% of people are actually clicking on this URL. So maybe it's the home site of your city page, right? And you can say, and then from there, what's the flow? Where are people actually going to, and how are they navigating throughout our website? So maybe then 20% are actually coming to your Parks and Rec. Okay, great. And then you can, once you're on that page, you can see, so there's a lot of like heat maps. There's a couple different types of analytics that you can find out, depending on how you want to find those analytics. Yeah.
That's not offered in class, right?
That's not offered in class.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's something. I mean, we have like, gosh, I have 4 different reporting tracks, that have nothing to do with our products. There's Flurry, which are all web app, and then I use a company called App Annie that is mostly just downloads if you have native applications, and then Site Catalyst is great. That's an Adobe software. So there's many different things that you can use out there.
Can you talk a little bit more about
the online registration app?
Yes,
Sure.
like deal.
Yeah. So it's basically everything is encrypted right within that device. So most of the time, people are worried about the security of their card and that information leaking out. And what that device actually encrypts it right within the scanner itself, and then goes to our AMS on the back end, and then you're instantly paid through that. We're starting to use it through like the Color Run. Right now, Color Run is going to be our first client. It's actually right when you walk up, just swipe, register, check in. Very simple and very easy to use instead of tons of time.
Can you plug that into anybody's iPhone?
Yeah, it works for iPhone. We have Android. We also have an iPad application for that.
Set up specifically for the city, or can it be my personal iPhone?
It can be your personal iPhone. Yeah, it's if you guys want more, it's actually in the iTunes store right now. So you can just go to the iTunes store. It's free. You should go ahead and download it. However, the direction of where we want to go is that will actually have all of our back-end platforms in it. Right now we have like 30 products. And so right now that's only tied to ActiveWorks. So if you're an ActiveWorks customer, which is not ActiveNet, we hope to get ActiveNet tied into there eventually, but that's really just pulling out all the events that are going on our ActiveNet platforms. Yeah. And then we really want to create just a simple solution where you can just take payment via swipe. Yeah. So that's really it, guys. Let me know if you guys have questions. Enjoy the rest of your day. And here's my email and Twitter handle and LinkedIn account. So, any other questions? All right. Enjoy your day.
Like this, depending on what type of information you want. They have different I hear you. You can pull from them. A lot of it has to do with like the website. If it's not designed well, you'll be able to put those types of feelers out there to control that information.
I think I'm Jason. Hey Jason, your redesign of the website is have all these analytics.
Yeah, and the ability to
So we can find out how we got to that.
there is the registration site and website.
Let's take it out.
Hey, no problem.
If they would go to our website first to link to it, so
Yeah.
we could direct link to it.
Yeah, hardest part is if people actually get big they got a lot of
Mobile and
Where are you from? I'm from, athletics.
Okay.
Okay, what's your name? Chris. Okay.
You want to see me once?
Okay. Out of context here.
Well, I've been trying to do it more. Normally, I would update their Facebook stuff, but it seems like it is right. But I'll tell you, I'm working with Jason, even just the hockey clinic that we did, we saw much better on their house than we got Facebook. We got on there, and I definitely think it helps. I just never